Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Aman. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm back with another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this Premiere Pro tutorial, I will show you revamping in Premiere Pro CC. So as you can see, it is very easy to and simple effect to do that. So now let's start make this effect in Premiere Pro. So I'm importing two footages from my short film. These are not my footages. I taken them from Pixabay and Excels, and here are the footages. I'm importing in my timeline, and now I drag it on my timeline. So after that I short it a little bit, and then I'll slow down all the clips 50%. And I'm not doing this speed ramping with that method, which other YouTubers show you time remapping. I have another type of effect, and it is very good and simple to do that. So now let's start making. Now what you have to do is select a part of a footage and cut it by Ctrl+K or by razor tool. Just click C on your keyboard and cut your clip, and now click V for this selection tool, and now click on this footage which you cut and right click on it and click speed duration, and new window will pop up, and you have to speed up this footage by 1500%, and make sure this footage you selected is 10 frames, so it will have a transition look, and if it is longer, then you have to make it shorter, and after that drag this second footage to match this after this video. And as you can see, by slowing down all the footage, this looks very realistic and natural, but one thing is also missing, that blurry effect which we create. So for that blurry effect, go to effects panel and search for directional blur, and here it is a directional blur, and drag it on your 10 frames video, and go to effects control, and we have to select direction as 180 degree, and blur length is 100 or 200. 100 is enough. If you want to increase that, you can increase, but 100 and 200 is enough for your videos. As you can see, now I show you how it looks like, and if it is a type of heavy effect, so Premiere Pro have to if you want to see this effect in your computer, you have to render the clip first, and then you can see and edit it. So for rendering, you have to select a part by just clicking I on the keyboard, and select an endpoint. To select the endpoint, you have to click O, and after that just click enter. It is a shortcut, and it will render the frames of the footages, and after that you can see your video. Now it is rendered. And if you don't want this highlighted part, you just right click on that and clear in and out, and after that I will show you how it looks like. So as you can see, it looks very good. And one thing I also wanted to tell you, that this effect will work on footage which has certain type of motion, so make sure your footage have a certain type of motion. These footages are not mine, so but it has certain type of motion, so make sure when you shoot your videos, you have to pan or do some type of motion, so it will have this effect will work on it. So as you can see, our footage is slowed down, and when this effect comes up, it will fast forward and has a blurry screen which looks amazing, as you can see. So that's it for this video. If you enjoy this video and want more videos just like this, subscribe to my channel. And so thanks for watching. My name is Aman, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.